everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look at some lovely products that we've had from Born Pretty. So here are the 5 items. We've got 2 gel polishes, we've got a base gel, we have a nail gel remover, and we also have some air dry nail glue. We're going to start with some swatches. So here we have the reflective gel polish in the colour Crush Starlight. So we're going to go in with the first coat here and then pop it in the lamp for a 60-second cure. Now here we have a cat's eye gel, and this is in the colour Mambo Ice. We're going to pop that on a swatch stick. I love all of Born Pretty's cat's eye gels. I think that the pigment is so strong. They've got such good coverage. It's my go-to when I use them on myself, and as well as when I use them on family members or clients. So we're going to grab a magnet and then we're going to activate the particles. And then once we're happy with the placement, we're going to pop that in the lamp for a 60-second cure. So here we have a base gel. So this is in the colour Clear. So as you can see, I'm not sure actually if it picks up too well on camera, but there are some fibre particles that are in this gel polish. So we've got our 2 swatch sticks here. They're nice, fully cured. You can get a discount on the Born Pretty products on their website. Don't forget to use the code kizzy10 to get 10% off. The nail tip glue fast air dry is odorless, it's UV free, and it dries in 5 seconds, and it's air dried, so there's no need to use lamps. So if you're applying your nails, your full cover tips, then it's really handy to use. Also with the nail gel remover, it's acetone-free and it's got a quick removal. So here we have a nail tip. So I've just used the cat's eye gel, the Mambo Ice, and then we're going to put a little bit of glue on our nail, nice thin even coat, and then we're going to pop some in the inside of the nail as well to ensure that there's good adhesion. We're going to pop that on there, making sure that it's covering the nail, it's straight. Just giving it a few seconds to adhere. There we are. So we have our nail. I'm going to leave it a couple of days and just going to see how I get on with that. So it's been a couple of days. I've been wearing my nail. There's been no lifting. So let's have a go and see how this works out. So here's the bottle again. Give it a little shake. don't think we need to. Just gonna grab some tools here. I think I'll probably go with the orange wood stick. So on the instructions it says just to go around the edge of your nail, which as you can see there's been no lifting, so it's a bit tricky for me to just pry it up. There's been no lifting, as you can see, so it's a little tricky for me to pry, but we're just going around the edge just to make a little gap for the product to get in and do its job. So just going to spray some over our nail, pop some onto the underneath. That will help me then just pry in a little bit more, and then we're going to go in with a second spray of the remover, and we should just pop right off then. You can see we're getting quite far under there. I did have some gel product left on my nail that was underneath, so that sort of adhered to the glue a little bit, but we're getting there. Try not to be too rough because I don't want to damage my nail with the orange wood stick. But we're definitely getting there. We're pretty much off. It's just this last little bit at the end, but what had happened is my nail had split at the end, so it just wasn't coming off, and I didn't want to pull it too hard in case I damaged my nail more than it already was before I used this tip. Yeah, as you can see, the end of my nail was a little bit brittle, so it just got a bit stuck. So I'm going to have another video coming out soon with applying the full cover tips with the nail glue, and then I'm going to try them out, see how long they last, and then I'm going to remove them. So keep an eye out for that for a full review of this product. But from other nail glue removers that I've used before, I think this one's the best. I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.